G'day folks, welcome back. Hope everyone had a good Christmas and Happy New Year everybody. Just doing a video on telling you what I'm going to be doing this year throughout the year. I'll be road testing a few gadgets, iron tester, a new pH tester I've got, installing a fail-safe system if the power goes out and the fish have got air, battery backup, and I'll also be making a water cooler out of a freezer to cool my fish tanks down when it gets too hot. I'll be upgrading my heater, my wood-fired heater. I'll also be working on some mealworms this year to feed my fish with, and I'll also be working with black soldier flies to feed my fish and make my own fish food. Also be doing a little bit more upgrading to my system. I'll be putting in a couple of sand beds to grow some root vegetables and that sort of stuff. Just mess around with the sand beds and see how they go. That's about it folks. It was just a short video to let you know what I'm doing this year, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit that subscribe button, and YouTube will let you know when I'm uploading all my new videos. If you'd like to go and have a look at my videos that I've already made, feel welcome to. I'll appreciate the you having a look. So everybody, have a happy new year, and I shall see you throughout the year with my videos. Stay safe guys, catch you later.